animals have been found here. Let's check them out. The parrot is right up there. Let's go up and save it. The parrot was injured. Let's bring it back for treatment. Mew Mew, please help examine it. You can count on me. One of the parrot's wings was broken. Let's give it treatment. Is still weak. We should apply some more drops. That's great! The parrot will be able to fly again. The examination is complete. It has regained its health. Let's feed it. Wonderful! It's ready for adoption. So cute. Can I adopt it? Of course. Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. Great! You're its owner now. Please take good care of it.